Jay Prince shows off the spectacular views while lifting off from a helicopter from his private resort.
Jungle style. Let me give y'all a little insight on how I live when I'm on my jungle property. This is part of the Prince Jungle, and this is the tree house. Follow me. As you can see, we're in the middle of no man's land. You know, this is a place where you get plenty of peace and tranquility. Check it out. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at. I have a cave on the property, and these are pieces that come out the caves that the Mayans used to eat out of, serve their dinners and breakfasts and different things in. And then we have a beautiful kitchen. You know, we have access to all the drinks and the best chefs and the best service you can get in Belize. And this is just chill area. You know, show them the roof. I mean, it's just chill area to complement your peace. And of course, you step out here and there's heaven on earth. You know what I mean? It's you can see the mountains, the cool stream that runs through the water with fresh mountain water non-stop.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Phone service called Chat Mobile. I got to see if Chat Mobile was up here in the helicopter. Let's do it. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yep, the chat mobile is working in the helicopter. Chat is on. Yeah, we landed in, what's up, Lord? Rob, how you doing, brother? Yeah, we landed in one piece. So all y'all was out there hoping and wishing I crashed. I done landed again. Yeah, I keep landing on the head.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.